Hi, this is Steve Condos, guys, and this is a short video to show you step by step how you can place a trade using, I should say, the Forex Insiders trading ideas and of course your mobile phone. And I'm on my mobile phone right now and I'm using an iPhone. All you need is a smartphone. So here we go. So first what we do is we go into our emails, and as you can see right on top there, you can see there's a Forex Insiders idea. So I'm going to click on this idea and I'm going to expand for you. Okay, dear Stephen Condos, a new trading idea between the British pound and the US dollar has just been published. You can check it out here. Okay, now this is an old idea. Okay, I wanted to record the video right now, but the only time that the Forex is not open is on the weekend. So let's click here. Okay, once you click here, of course, provided you have subscribed to the Forex Insiders, otherwise you wouldn't have received the email. So that will send you into your Success Factory account, or where you have to log in. So I'm going to log in. Oops. Okay, now okay, here we go. So we're logging in. Might take a little bit of time depending on how full. Okay, all right. Okay, obviously I've done something there that is not right. Let me just do the password again. And now I have to do, okay, extra security, CN capital D 0 little w. Okay, log in. Okay, we logged in. Obviously something when, okay, so now I'm going to log into the members area. And of course, it's going to direct me to where the digital products are. And all I have to do is scroll down and look at Forex Insiders. As you can see, I'm going to click on Forex Insiders. And then it's going to take me into the Forex Insiders area of the members area. Now I'm going to just scroll down. I can come back to this later. Okay, all right. Okay, you can see here that just as out of interest, at the moment the market doesn't offer any high probability trading ideas. So once again, the ideas that we get are high probability trading ideas. In other words, we've got a good chance of registering a win. So anyway, so here's the idea that, as I said, you can see that it says the idea has been completed. However, I'm going to use this idea as a demonstration. So here's the trading idea. You can see all the details here. So it is a sell idea. It is between the British pound and the US dollar. Okay, and once again, the idea was completed. And what you can see here is numbers. Okay, the first number that we see is the 1.23110. That is the entry price, EP. Then we can see the stop loss in the red, 1.23490. Now, the other thing that we need to take note here is the number to the right of that red number. The number to the right of the red number. Okay, stop loss 38 pips. Just remember this, 38 pips. And then of course we've got three numbers: take profit. Okay, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Those numbers represent at what point you want to take your profit, at point 1, 2, or 3. And of course, point 1 is lower risk, point 2 is medium risk, let's say, and point 3 is higher level of risk. Okay, so let's go into now. So we got those numbers. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe to my screens and I'm going to go and use the MetaTrader app. So I'm opening the MetaTrader app. Okay, we need to have to download that, of course, originally. Now you can see that this is, by the way, a demo account that I just set up in order to demonstrate this. The balance of that account is 1,396 AUD, Australian dollars. This is how I set up this one. So you can see the cross on the top right corner. So I'm gonna click on that cross, and now we are ready to place the trade. Now you can see right on top is the currency pair, okay? Now right now it shows Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, so I'm going to click on that, and I am going to pick, remember what the idea was? Let's go back and see. It was between the British pound and the US dollar. Okay, so we're going to look for the British pound and the US dollar. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. So you can see now we've got the British pound versus the US dollar. Now, market execution, you can see below. I'm going to click on that. Now, I'm going to go back again. I'm just swiping back and forth so I can show you exactly what you need to do. So you can see it's a sell idea. All right, here we go, sell idea. So we go back to the trade, so market execution, so we press on sell limit because it's a sell idea. Okay, now immediately below that you will see a number. Right now it says 0.36. now this is the only number that we have to calculate. Okay, and to do that we are going to open another app, okay, which is the Stinu app. You can see it here on the bottom right corner with the S, Stinu. Now, this is an app that allows you to calculate your position size. Now, don't worry about that. There's no need to understand what it even means. I don't understand either. As I keep saying, I'm not a trader. Neither am I a financial advisor. I'm just using a tool. I'm just showing you how you can use this tool to trade, as I keep saying, like a pro in the Forex market without being a pro. Now, basically what the position size is, allows you to control your level of risk. That's all I know. That's all I believe we need to know. So I'm going to put, first of all, the account balance. If you remember, was 1,396. Let's make sure this is what it was. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Yes, 1396. Okay, now I'm going, okay, the British pound, US dollar, it's a sell limit, so 0.36. No, I'm going to go there. Okay, now the level of risk that we are told to use is 3%. Okay, now remember stop loss in pips. Now, if you remember, if I go back to the idea, I asked you to remember that number next to the stop loss. The red number is 38 pips. So I'm going back to there and I'm going to put here 38. Okay, so we've got the account balance, we've got the risk, which is 3%. You can use 2%, you can use 1%. Okay, they recommend, especially when you first start off, not any higher than 3%, and I am just following instructions. So we're gonna tick there. Okay, now you can see select currency pair. So that's the next thing. Now was the British pound and US dollar. Okay, now calculate. Okay, it's calculating. So you can see for 38 stop loss, or in pips, the number that we want in lots is 0.110. Now right on top you can see the amount that we are risking given the level of risk, which is based of course on your balance, whatever your balance is. So 3%. So right now with this trade I'm going to risk $41.88. So the number we're after is 0.110. Let's go back to the trade. We're putting in the trade. So here I'm going to go back 0.11. Okay, now that's the only number we need to calculate using the Stinu app. Now price. Okay, now price is the entry price. What's the entry price? 1.23110. 1.23110. Okay, I'll make sure I remember 1.23110. Okay, then stop loss. I'm going to go and see what the stop loss number is. 1.23490. 1.23490. Okay, then take profit. Let's go back. Now, a decision we need to make. Do we take low risk, medium risk, or higher risk? Okay, I'm going to go for the medium, okay, for the benefit of this example. 1.22410. Oops, 1.22. Let's go back to, okay, here we go. Now, what was that? I forgot. Let's go back. Okay, 1.22410. 1.22410. Okay, now, finally, one last check. So it is, before I place the trade, it is a British pound and the US dollar. It is a sell limit. The number we calculate is 0.110. The entry price is 1.23110. The stop loss is 1.23490. The take profit is 1.22410. Now, the only thing that unfortunately I cannot show you live right now is, as you can see the gray bar where it says place. Normally when the idea is active, remember the idea has been already completed, as I said, because it was 1 day ago. Can you see idea completed? And you can see that it's basically not active right now. So if I go back to the let's go back. Okay, so normally the bar across where it says place will be highlighted. I think it's in red, okay? And then you just simply press place and you're done. You're done. And right now, once you go through these very simple steps, you are trading like a pro without being a pro, using the Forex Insider's trading idea and of course the other tools that you need, which is a trading platform, which is the MetaTrader. Let me show you again. Okay, this is the app, the MetaTrader 5, and then the Stinu app, which is the app to calculate your size. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and